Legends! My name is Joff and I assist people raise their vibration. All right. It's Meditation May. Ooh. And what happens in Meditation May? I get to positively polarize meditation for everyone that listens to my stuff. How good's that? How good is that? Like, you may be meditating throughout your day and you don't even know it. You don't even know it. Just be in your energy. Just breathe. Consciously breathe, sometimes for 30 seconds to a minute with no distractions. That's a form of meditation. Who would have thought? No distractions though. Not on your phone. Sometimes there can be meditation taking place if you're on your phone. But at the same time, I don't like to promote that because we're on our phones way too much. It's an addiction. Let's be honest. It's an addiction. Take yourself back 20 years. Isn't that interesting? 20 years, where were phones? We used to just live, didn't we? Without these devices. Just gonna have a small breathe while this energy moves. See, as that energy just moved by, I consciously breathe. I brought it in a form of meditation. Nothing, just nothing. This is a distraction coming. I don't have to engage. I can observe it and just breathe. Leave the distraction out there, not bring it in. Again, it's a choice. Yeah, it gets easier. Yeah, it might not be easy for you, but that's okay. It gets easier. Everything gets easier. With practice and awareness, everything becomes easier. And discipline, big one, discipline. But yeah. Another moment of silence. I really hope that these little breaks that I take, even in this video, this is going to be I'm just going to keep talking. I'm going to have little breaks, random breaks out of nowhere. In that moment, yeah, it's another opportunity for you. And then if I interrupt your break, you have the opportunity to actually, here we go, I've never done this. This is unique. You have the opportunity while I'm talking again to observe what I have to say and stay in your meditation and to observe me. And you can come back to what I say later, that's fine. But I don't know, there's something here we can play with. Interesting. Yeah, any time, any given time, you can have stillness and silence in your experience and bringing in a calm state of mind, a peaceful state of mind. And one of the techniques that I really love is deep belly breathing. Just expanding your belly like a balloon. And then breathing, it's like not sucking it in, but allowing it to come back in. Let's go a couple more. So you're gonna expand your belly and breathe in at the same time through your mouth or your nose. And then breathe out and bring it in. One more. I'm just focusing your attention and your energy, even if you're still breathing and I have interrupted you, apologies. But just listen to the sounds, listen to the energy, focus all of your attention on that energy, instead of sometimes the thoughts that come through. We give so much energy to thoughts that don't belong to us, don't serve us, don't actually assist our experience. So give them less attention and focus on whatever you want to focus on. It can be the energy, the sounds. It can be positive stuff in your experience. It can be what you want to bring into your experience. Focusing our energy is very powerful. Where attention goes, energy flows. So focus on what you'd like to bring into your experience. We're all very powerful people, very powerful beings. If you focus on positive things, if you focus on things that assist you and assist others, man, everything's on your side. If you focus on negative shit that's going to harm others, nah. Universe doesn't like that. Doesn't like that. But if you're watching my stuff, you know, I know you're positively polarized, and it's this information's going to good use. Yeah, and throughout this video, please feel free to share how you're feeling throughout any of these breaks, these pauses that we've had, or even the deep belly breathing. Feel free to share, because it's meditation May, baby. Bringing a calmer state of being. Because Positive April was epic. I loved Positive April. Positive April was just, if you haven't checked out my Positive April videos, they're very relevant all year long. But they were very positively polarized, just videos talking about positivity and the power of it. So if you would like to feel into that energy, feel free to check out. I think I brought out four Positive April videos that are very powerful. Assist your positive energy. And actually there's more energy coming this way, so let's do a bit of breathing. Let's observe these distractions. Beautiful video, random. I didn't even know I was going to do this. Meant to be. Meant to be. A few different little gaps, huh? You can breathe in gaps into your experience in any day. And what do I mean by gaps? Like, a lot of our experiences consists of lines. And what do I mean by lines? All right. Well, basically, actions of your day. You know, brushing your teeth, you know, having breakfast, all of these things, having a coffee, doing shit. The lines are doing things, and the being is doing nothing, being still, feeling, doing nothing. If you can balance out your day to a kind of a level where it's balanced for yourself, see where that takes you. And what I mean by that is that you wake up, you meditate, you've got some gaps in your day, freedom, and you go and do your thing. You go and take a lot of action. You do a lot of the action things that you do, you know, whether it's, you know, whatever it is. And then just incorporating moments of silence and stillness into your day, allowing the gaps, allowing nothingness. It gives you like 4 or 5 days in one. If you stop, if you have the ability to stop, you can do anything. Especially if you're in a Western culture, because there's a lot of action that takes place in Western cultures. So yes, slowing down, doing nothing, just being, brings in balance. Being brings in balance. Oh, wow, being brings in balance. Isn't that beautiful? Being brings in balance. It's beautiful. Do nothing. Be still. Be free. Allow energy that doesn't belong to you. Leave. I think that'll do this one here. Please feel free to share this message with anyone you feel it may resonate with. And remember, with an open mind and an open heart, anything is possible. Peace and love to you all.